Everyone, Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. Somebody asked how I get my silhouettes to size for the spoons to fit on them. So just a quick tutorial here. I have the silhouettes that I copied off the internet for use and that kind of stuff. And basically I'll make 3 sizes. I just put this together real quick. What I'll do is I'll make 3 sizes. One is normally elongated. This is also Microsoft Word, by the way. Nope, Gus. You don't get to be famous today. So what I do is I'll stretch this out, make it longer, make it taller. I think this is the original. I downsized it to this one. And then I have the original, and then I normally elongate it so that I can get more of the pattern to fit more of the spoon. And the same thing I did with the turtles. Made this guy a little bit longer. The other thing you could do is right click on them and hit format picture. Let's see. We don't want to change the picture. Don't want that. Oh, size, sorry. We want size. And then you want it to say up here, this is the size that you actually want it tall in inches, and this is how wide. So it's pretty tall. You can, if it's being troublesome for you, get rid of the lock aspect ratio, and that will help bring it up. So let's say we want to take this down a little bit. You can see how it gets skinnier. Where am I at? 1.1. We'll take it just a touch taller and close. The other thing you can do is just kind of pull on it, and don't see on this, nothing's changing. The only bad part about this is the reason I make 3 is because I don't know which one's gonna fit the best on the spoon, and generally I'll have a space in between these guys too. So I can get the scissors through there. There we go. And now what I'll do is I'll print this out, and then after I print it out, I'll take my spoon and I'll hold it up behind the image and hold it up to the light and see if that image fits within the spoon that I have. And also, if it doesn't, I know how far I need to come in and adjust it height-wise or width-wise to make it fit the way I'd like it to on the spoon. And after I print this out, get a piece cut out, I'll take Mod Podge. Some people use glue sticks. There's tons of ways to stick it to the spoon, and I think I've shown how I did it in another video, but I'd Mod Podge the spoon first, get the image right where I wanted it, stick it to it, and then Mod Podge over it, let it sit for about an hour or so, and then I can start sawing through it. Normally I leave it till the next day at least. So quick tutorial, that's how I adjust the sizes and make the silhouette fit the spoon I want. Alright, I hope this helps. Oh, and to paste into here, what you want to do is you want to go up here to insert, picture. Ciao, buddy. I want Flatware creations, images, not pictures. Template images, angelfish. This is going to be an up and comer. So it comes in here big. I'm just going to go right to change size. Get rid of the lock. Well, we'll leave the lock aspect with this about 1.25. And we're going to bring the width. Okay, so it made it square. I don't want it square. I'll keep that width, but I want this guy to go up. To 1.5 inches tall. Close. Okay, so now that let us adjust it this way and vertical. What was this guy? 1.39. Okay, so now this one's the same height as this one. I know that it was the bigger one, I think, was the one that I had used for the spoon. Again, not sure. Most spoons are slightly different, so each image is special to the spoon that it's going in. Okay, so there's that, and I hope this helps. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified of any new posts. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day.